Buongiorno and welcome to another episode of Ask Fausto. Today's question is: what is magnetic repulsion? This is magnetic repulsion. And this works with magnetic repulsion too. But is a magnet's repulsion force the same as its attracting force? When two identical magnets touch each other, the attraction between two unequal poles is 5 to 10% stronger than the repulsion of equal poles. That is due to the alignment of the molecular magnets in a magnet. In a single magnet, the molecular magnets are aligned sort of parallel to each other. The more regular the molecular magnets are aligned, the higher the strength of the magnet. When two unequal magnetic poles attract each other, the one magnet supports the parallel alignment of the molecular magnets in the other magnet. This renders both magnets a little stronger. When two equal magnetic poles repel each other, however, the one magnet disturbs the parallel alignment of the molecular magnets in the other magnet. This renders both magnets a little weaker. Here you see a concrete example with our S4530N magnet. On our linked FAQ site, you can find more interesting information on this topic. But what can we use magnetic repulsion for? Magnetic springs and suspension, pushing things, levitating things. But enough of theory. I have prepared some practical examples to demonstrate each of these cases. I have prepared a small car to demonstrate the use of magnetic suspension. As you can see, the magnetic suspension absorbs the bumps. Now, let's see an example of pushing things with repulsion. As you have already seen before, here is a small magnetic cannon. Here is a bigger magnetic catapult that is also powered by the pushing effect of magnetic repulsion. Finally, let's see an example of levitation caused by magnetic repulsion. This example is cool, but not that impressive. I wonder if we can levitate something a bit bigger. For example, me. Let's see if I can be some kind of Marty McFly with his overboard from Back to the Future. Yeah, it works! So that was exciting! Do you have any other ideas about what problems could be solved with the help of magnetic repulsion? Let us know in a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to never miss an episode of Ask Fausto. Thank you for watching and see you next time.